Hey everyone! Welcome to this Federal Benefits Q&A. Today we're going to cover 6 essential questions for your federal disability retirement success. Before we get started, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on other helpful, easy-to-understand videos just like this. Let's start with the basics. What is federal disability retirement? Federal disability retirement is a safety net built into the retirement package of every career federal employee. It allows you to step into early retirement if a medical condition or injury keeps you from effectively performing at least one of your job duties. It's important to know that we're talking about occupational disability, not a total disability. Occupational disability means you can't do your job. Total disability means you can't do any job at all. Now, you may be wondering, should I apply? The answer to this question is based on a handful of requirements. To be a candidate for federal disability retirement, you need to meet 3 basic conditions. First, you need to have worked in your federal job for at least 18 months. Second, you must be a career FERS employee, which means you must have enrolled in the Federal Employee Retirement System. This applies to most federal workers. Third, you must have an injury or illness that keeps you from doing at least one essential responsibility of your job. If you're a good candidate, there are several things that need to be true of your case before you apply, including an expectation for your health problem to last at least 12 months and a lack of reasonable accommodation from your agency. It's worth mentioning that it can be hard to make these determinations without legal help. Another common question we get is, how much will federal disability retirement pay? Once you're approved, you'll receive a monthly annuity payment from the OPM, calculated using the average of your 3 highest consecutive years of pay. For 1 year, you'll get 60% of your high 3 average, and every year after that will pay 40% of your high 3 average. This monthly annuity is a lifeline for many, but on federal disability retirement, even more is available. This leads to our next question. Can I get a job while I'm on federal disability retirement? The answer is yes. One of the great advantages of this benefit is that it allows you to work in the private sector and make an income on top of your monthly annuity payments. You can earn up to 80% of your federal job's current salary, which means you could potentially make more than what you did working for the government. From teaching to real estate and countless other jobs in between, we've seen clients go on to find a new passion after being approved for disability retirement. Now, let's talk about question number 5. Can I keep my health and life insurance? Simply put, yes. If you're eligible, you'll stay on the same FEHB plan you have now even after you're on federal disability retirement. To wrap up, we'll look at one final question. Is it hard to get approved for FDR? Getting approved without legal help may be more difficult than you might expect. It's a complex process and the application requires huge amount of medical and work-related documentation. It can be hard to know what exactly to get from your doctor or agency to support your case. When applying for federal disability retirement, it's critical to get it right the first time. In some cases, it can be a benefit worth well over $1 million. That's not something to risk. The experts at our firm know firsthand that navigating your retirement can feel like a maze. So, we've designed a process that turns that maze into a straight road. We've helped more than 8,000 clients apply for federal disability retirement at a 99% success rate, and we'll be with you all the way, from your first call to the day that you get approved. Schedule a free consultation today to learn what your options are.